In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a specific CMS page using its URL. This is a valuable technique when you want to direct your audience to a particular piece of content from your content management system. Whether it's a blog post, a product page, or any specific item, this method ensures that your viewers are just one click away from accessing exactly what they need. Let's walk through the process together. To start, you'll need to navigate to your CMS collection to find the specific item you want to highlight. The CMS collection acts as a database where all your content is stored, neatly organized for easy access. Depending on your setup, this could be anything from blog entries to individual product pages. Take your time to locate the exact item that suits your linking purpose. Once you've pinpointed your desired item, it's crucial to grab its full URL. This URL serves as a unique identifier for the page you're targeting. It usually appears as a page path that might look something like this: blog my awesome post. By copying this URL, you're equipping yourself with the precise digital address needed to make your linked content effortlessly accessible. Next, turn your attention to the element you want to transform into a link. This could be anything from a button or text link, depending on how you want your audience to interact with your content. The key is to choose an element that's prominent and intuitive for your viewers, ensuring maximum engagement. With your chosen element selected, it's time to delve into its settings. Within the Settings panel for your chosen element, you'll find an area designated for link settings. This is where the magic happens. By pasting the copied URL into this section, you're effectively programming the element to redirect anyone who clicks on it straight to your chosen CMS page. It's a simple yet powerful step that concludes the linking process. And there you have it, a straightforward method to link directly to a specific CMS page using its URL. By following these steps, you ensure that your audience can seamlessly access targeted content, enhancing their overall experience. This technique is especially useful for campaigns, promotions, or drawing attention to newly released items you wish to highlight. So next time you need to guide your viewers to a particular page, remember this method. It's an uncomplicated way to ensure your content is just a click away. Thank you for watching, and happy linking.